Hi, everyone. This is Sherry Rice Smith of EFT for Christians. Today, I want to go a little bit off topic and talk about something else. It's kind of like one of those where it's the right church but the wrong pew routine. It's related, but not exactly tapping, but it may give you ideas. It may also lead you down a different path. And it's definitely within God's realm of healing techniques. So there's a gal that's the wife of Dr. David Feinstein. David Feinstein got recruited probably decades ago, before I was even on this little journey, by Dawson Church. And David is a doctor of psychology. And, he, of course, poo-pooed this whole thing, just like Dr. Peter Stapleton did till he tried it, and then it blew his mind, like it does to all of us. And it continues to blow my mind, decade and a half later. But anyway, so this gal's name is Donna Eden. Donna has done, quote, energy techniques since it's probably gone on 40 years now. And she and David, were married, I don't know how long, and I don't know, there's some kids, and I don't know who belongs to who, and none of that's relevant. But the point is, he did his thing and she did her thing, and, he never understood. But once he got into the tapping, it started to make sense to him. So anyway, Donna runs her own school, and, it takes like 2 or 3 years to get through her certification, and they do just massive amounts of stuff. But today, what I want to show you, and this flips me out, because as a nurse, I remember we would get patients in what the diagnosis was, is intractable hiccups. They literally could not stop hiccuping. And Western medicine's only cure or fix for that, and these people got admitted because they were exhausted from just constantly, they would just do this day in and day out, was a horrible, horrible med that we called a major tranquilizer back in the 70s called Thorazine. Thorazine has more side effects than Carter's Got Pills, and it was also used for like schizophrenia, but it was like the only thing that worked. So Donna teaches, and you can look this up, and if I can find the link, I'll put it on for you. And maybe it wasn't even her, but this is the type of stuff she teaches. So, and I use it all the time, and maybe once I had to hold a couple of seconds longer to get it work. Okay, so let's get to the point here, Sherry. Once in a while I get hiccups. We all do, whatever causes. It's a fluttering of the diaphragm or whatever. But what I do now is the second they start, we used to hold our breath, and sometimes kids would hold the breath till they pass out, and that really wasn't helpful either. This is literally what I do, and it works 99.9% of the time. So your wavy finger, we won't discuss the wavy finger, but what you do is you hold this middle knuckle. So I'm trying to do it so you can see what I'm doing. And you just press on it, either hand, and hold it. And it's kind of just the most interesting thing on the planet, because within 20 seconds, maybe less, you'll begin to feel the hiccup. They start to slow, then you won't have them as frequently, and then they're gone. So this is just a related technique. It's all to do with acupuncture, and it works. So try it next time, or if one of your kids, sitting at the table and is going crazy with hiccups, just take their hand. You don't have to squeeze hard. You just need a firm hold. It's that middle knuckle on the wavy finger. So give it a shot and come back and let me know what you think of it. Okay, this is Sherry Rice Smith. That's your Tapping Thursday tip. And my website is EFTforChristians.com. If you have questions or thoughts or ideas, please contact me, EFTforChristians@gmail.com. This is the kind of little stuff that I can do quickly, and it's not a cumbersome thing for you all to watch. So give that one a shot. I've got other ones, and there's just loads of these little acupuncture things that are quite helpful. And I just find them absolutely fascinating, how God put our body together, and why something so innocuous and so like, it's almost like tapping. It's almost ridiculous that you would think that would work, but it works. All right. Again, if you have intractable hiccups and this little technique doesn't work, obviously you need to go to the doctor. But on any physical stuff, please get a doctor's clearance to be sure that it's not something, that needs specific medical attention or some surgery or something. Don't use tapping instead of any medical stuff. Alrighty, we'll talk to you again some point, and if I can find a link for that, I'll stick it in the notes so that you could actually look at it. Alrighty, till next Thursday, hopefully. We'll see you then. God bless. He loves you very much.